Amaka? Amaka?
Yes?
What did you tell my cousin about the little challenges of life?
He asked about you. And I told him that since we relocated to the village, that you have been battling one sickness after another.
After complaining to him, how much did he give you?
Money.
How much did he give?
He didn't give me any money. I didn't take money from him.
Oh, so you gained nothing from the advert?
Advert? What? Are you serious? In what way have I wronged you by telling your brother your true health status?
That was not necessary.
Really?
It wasn't necessary.
How?
Did you have to tell him?
Well, he asked.
I still... you...
Next!
Sam!
Next!
You didn't tell me you were coming to my house, otherwise I would have joined you in your car.
How about this our car? My person.
Udo, that's what it is, my brother. Welcome. Nne, please get him something to eat. Come and sit down.
I don't think we have time for that. I'm actually heading to the city. I just said, let me come see you, know how you're doing. And, I brought this for you.
Sam, if you're not going to eat something in my house, then take back your money.
Okay. Let me see.
It's good. One number. Please get him something to eat.
Hey. So,
Oh.
You've just broken my heart. Guinea can meregi Sanuma jujum my love is gone. Oh, I am left alone. Oh, who will I come and the great Iroko tree, the pillar of my home, a gem, a genius. Truly the Iroko tree has fallen. Hi, Chukwuemeka one. You were supposed to be the one to bury me when I die. What a pity. You surrendered to the cold hands of death like your elder brother. You fought gallantly. But when I thought you had won the battle, you gave up, my son. Hey. Woe betides death. Woe to that cold hands of death that took you away from me. I'm making you a promise today. must surely avenge your death. Even if it's the last thing I do.
You've taken away my pride, leaving me all alone. Away, away. You've just broken my heart. Kini kameregi away, away. Zanuma jujuna jua. My love is gone, no. I am left alone, no. Who will I call my? Yeah. Taking away my pride, leaving me all alone. Away, away. You've just broken my heart. Kini kameregi away, zanuma jujum.
Why do you want us to move to the village? At a time where everybody is living in Asia, Europe, countries.
Look, Amaka, there is no competition in destiny. If you and I are destined to be in Europe, we'll surely get there someday. But for now, we are going back to the village.
It's harder to survive in the village than it is here in the city.
That is not true. Look, in the village, I am not going to pay house rent.
If house rent is the issue, I can borrow from my friend Clara.
Now tell me, if she lends you money, how would you pay her back? How? Let's just cut our coats according to our sizes.
The village is filled with evil men and women looking for whom to devour.
No, that's not true. Your elder brother is in the village, yet nothing has happened to him. I am not going there to compete with anybody. When things get better, we'll move back to the city. Please.
I suggest we move into a one-room apartment temporarily. Of course, the rent for a one room in a public yard will not be as much as it cost us to maintain this house.
You know I hate public yard. I can't even survive a single night there.
Your cousin brother, he'll give you some money.
No, they don't even go there. I don't need his money. I'm a man. Don't worry, we'll bounce back. This is just a phase. This is just temporary, okay?
Should I go and call Emma?
No, don't go. I will be okay. It's just that I feel excruciating pains all over my body.
Pain no, Sokwa. Eh? Here.
Yes, Mama. I will be okay.
Forget this market. Oh? Go and bring Keke. Let us go to this specialist hospital in Enugu. Come on, can you hear me?
No, Mama. Mama, no. Mama will be okay. Let my wife go to the market.
Your life is more important to us, so.
Yeah, go to the market, I'll be fine.
Let us take you to the hospital. Pico.
Mama, stop worrying yourself. I have told you I'll be fine. There's nothing to worry about.
My darling Emeka. If God had not allowed it, it would not have happened. You might be dead, but I swear on my honor, your memory will live on. I'll take care of our son.
You've taken away my pride, leaving me all alone. Away. You've just broken my heart. Kini ka meregi away. Sanu majujum najua. My love is gone. Oh. I am left alone.
No. Samuel.
How are you?
You've seen how I am.
I'm so sorry. Let me help you. Please, Amaka, you can't be doing this here. Please. Let me take you home. Please. Huh? Please, you can't. Let me take you home. Please. Please. Oh, I should take this off too. Sorry. Take you home. It's all right. It's all right.
Who is behind my pains? Oh, who is behind my sorrows? Oh, kedu onye na-eme mi high? Oh, I'm confused.
Oh, sister. Nancy. Sister. Nancy.
Good. Do you have a date with any of these big fishes that came into town for New Year Festival?
Sister.
Eh?
No. I don't.
Nancy, you know what they say? All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy. Let me rephrase it. All work, no play. Makes Nancy a dog there.
Hey, sister. If my fiancé finds out that I went out with another man, do you think he will take it lightly with me?
Hey, why not? After all, our people say that no phone had done no one and most importantly, he has not paid your bride price, so you are not his yet.
Anyways, thank you for your advice. But I and Samuel, we are getting married. And there's nothing anybody can do about it.
Nancy, it has not gotten to that, eh? Nancy, eh? Okay. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. If I said anything wrong, I'm so sorry. I mean, I didn't mean to stop you from marrying the man you love. Please?
It's okay. I forgive you.
I'm forgiven, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
I want to rush to Samuel's mother's house. I have some chores to do for her.
Perhaps you will ask her why your fiancé didn't come home during his uncle's burial. Don't forget to ask her that.
Oh, I will, yes. I will. I'll be back soon, okay?
All right, baby girl.
Love you, see. See you later.
All right.
Bye, see.
Come back quick, oh.
Yes, I will.
Going to be done. Oh, I forgot to start.
Nemeka. Nemeka. Hey!
Nemeka. Your daughter-in-law. Your daughter-in-law does not have respect for the dead. Yes! And now it is very clear that she's responsible for the death of her late husband. I just saw Amaka now, along the road, putting her firewood inside a man's boot. And the man, he was smushing her, touching her, to the extent of grabbing her like this. Hey! And she entered inside the man's car. Okay, zoom off to his house. I followed the man to their house. I saw it along the road of Opani Mafia. Hey! Where did you go? I didn't tell you anything. I didn't say anything.
Baby! You didn't tell us we were coming.
Yes, I wanted to surprise you. Look at you. Where's everyone?
Mama is at the back, but Papa is not back from the cabinet meeting.
Oh,
you're welcome.
I missed you.
Good to see you. I missed you too.
Good to see you. So what are we making? Beans?
Yeah, I'm making beans.
Oh, I see Mama is taking good care of you. Look how beautiful you are.
Thank you.
Mama.
You didn't tell us you are coming today.
I wanted to surprise you. And then, I wasn't able to come for Emeka's burial, so I decided to go pay the mother a condolence visit. But that was... you needed to see what Mama Emeka did to me. She was shouting, raising voice, calling me also. As a matter of fact, she accused me that I have a hand in the death of Emeka. You can imagine.
Which woman are you talking about?
Oh, I was on Mama Emeka.
Why should she say that?
Mama, you needed to see how that woman chased me out of her house. It was terrible. You could be on the land. Come sit.
Makagene,
Mama.
Were you the only person that didn't attend Emeka's burial?
Mama.
Maybe she wants to cause trouble.
Mama, can we just stop talking about Mama Emeka. Let's talk about you. Look how beautiful you look. Who's taking care of who?
I'm taking care of her.
You are looking good too.
Thank you.
Look at how fresh you are.
Oh, I'm trying my best. That's not you. Yeah, the guy GC beans. I'm hungry.
Don't worry.
You will eat now. Don't worry, you will eat now.
Sweetheart. Thank you. Amaka, my sister. I want to ask you to say a question. Do you have a hand in your husband's death?
No.
Good. Then go and sleep. Clear conscience fears no accusation.
True.
Emeka was sick for almost 6 months, yet he was not taken to the hospital for proper diagnosis and medication.
Emeka was a stubborn man. He didn't believe he'll ever die of that sickness.
You knew that your husband was sick and you kept quiet. I also blame you for that. You would have reported him to his king's men and they would have forced him to go to the hospital for proper medication. Perhaps he wouldn't have died.
The entire Akubife family knew Emeka was sick. But nobody wanted to give the much needed help. This is getting worse. You have been coughing incessantly for the past weeks. Follow me to the hospital. You have refused. So you wish to continue like this?
Amaka, let it get worse every minute. Nothing will happen to me. There has never been any case of premature death in my family, except for the death of my except for the death of my elder brother. But my own case is different. I will never die at this age. Never. Stop worrying yourself, okay? Sam!
Yeah, Emeka.
Are you just coming?
No. I came in yesterday night. Hi. How are you? How are you doing now?
I am much better.
I can see. Hey,
Good to see you.
good to see you. Hey.
Get him chair.
Easy. Are you sure you're alright?
He's not. Are you?
Sam.
He's not feeling fine. He has been coughing like this these past weeks.
Sam,
And
don't listen to her. I am perfectly fine.
No, you have to talk to your brother. Are you alright?
Yes. Look at me. Evidently, I'm fine. Don't worry.
Okay. I am going for a friend's wedding in Enugu. So anyhow, Nah, please, take this. You see my guy.
thank you.
That's
Thank
nice.
you so much.
That's nice.
Thank you. Of course. So please take care of my marriage.
I will.
Please.
Drive safe.
I will. You take care of yourself. All right.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye. Take care of yourself.
Amaka, Amaka, stop. I told you that I cannot die. Who on earth has lying there? I know myself. Nothing will happen to me. You're worrying for nothing. Have you taken your phone? Yes, Mama. And I have also sent for Dave.
Is he coming?
Yes, he's coming.
Mama, I am of the opinion that instead of spending 1,000 naira every day buying drugs, let us all proceed to Enugu Specialist Hospital, where we will get accurate diagnosis and proper medication for my husband.
That is not necessary. As you can see, I am better now than before.
You keep saying that, my husband. You keep saying that, but your health is deteriorating before our eyes.
Amaka, look. My father died at the age of 99. I cannot die young.
Mom, when your father was alive, he wasn't falling sick.
Okay.
Mama, I hardly fall sick as well.
Since we came back to this village, Emeka, you have been moving from one sickness to the other. You see, you hardly fall sick.
I cannot run away from my father's land. Mama, look, there is nothing to worry about. This is just a minor sickness and I'll be back in no time.
Mama, I think we should borrow some money from Akobife family meeting and take my husband to the hospital. We will refund them. They're not bashing us. It's borrow. They will lend us.
Instead of that one, Elema Wamnine.
Uju.
Sir.
Chukwuemeka is the only surviving son of my late brother. The challenges that he's having recently is actually giving me sleepless nights, but there is absolutely nothing I can do this moment to help him out. Nothing I can do to help him out.
Nano Former. We have come to borrow money from the Akubife's family meeting to take him to the hospital.
Uju, that is exactly what I am talking about. There is no money in the family's purse. There is no money in the family's purse. Huh? Look at what will happen. Go to Ima's chemist shop. Take some drugs from him. Hold on, I'm coming.
Why is this so helpless?
This is 5,000. Well, would you? Take care of him.
Thank you, sir.
You know what you would do, Uju? Push your luck further. Go to other members of Akubife's family. Solicit for help. They will help you. And individually, they will help you and the money will improve.
Thank you, sir.
Stop crying. It shall be well. Nothing will happen to your son. Untimely death is not in our dictionary. It's not in our gene. Nothing will happen to your son. Nothing will happen to you. Be strong.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Always behind my face. Always behind my
Where are you coming from this place? I hope what is well.
Emeka Nwam is getting worse by the minute.
Right.
So we have decided to take him to the specialist hospital in Enugu.
Go to a farmer. Beg him to lend you at least some money from our purse.
We have done that already. We went there. A farmer well, 5,000 naira nyan. That we should go and buy him drug from the chemist. That there's no money in the purse.
No, we have up to 70,000 naira in our purse. A farmer can't say that.
Your farmer is wicked.
Well, anyway, Ima is a household name in Orthodox medicine. I believe that he will handle this issue. In no distant time, Emeka will fall back on his feet. Jebeno, our chemist, Ima is capable of doing this.
Why is your farmer wicked?
Our farmer.
Why is he very wicked?
Our farmer, Metaria. My sister, please. All these accusations leveled against you, I know that they are all false. You are my sister. I know what you're capable of doing. Okay, I know what you can do. When your husband was still alive, both of you lived in peace. You never quarreled for even one day. So please, I just want you to just bear everything. Just calm down, please. I believe that very soon, all these things will be a thing of the past. Okay? Please. Just excuse me. My sister, you have to be strong to take good care of your son and your mother-in-law. Please, just manage this. I know it's not too much, but just manage it.
This is too much.
When you were alive, you never allowed anybody spit on my face. Papa, I know you can still do it. I know you can still make me proud, even from where you are. I'm broken. I am heartbroken. They killed you the way they killed your brother. I want you to avenge your death. That is the only way I will be happy again. Please, my son, avenge your death. Because you want
you are it again. Stop now. Stop crying. Don't continue like this.
Ada,
Mama.
God does not like me.
Oh, now.
I don't know why God hates me so much. I have buried my 2 sons within 10 years. Today I am childless. If I were God, I wouldn't do this to any mortal.
Hey, Nemeka, how can you say things like this? Please, I want you to stop crying. If you continue like this, you will weaken his spirit. He won't be able to avenge his death. Please, stand up. It's okay. It's okay. You didn't do anything. It's okay now. Okay. Ozugon, you want me to join you? You want me to join you and cry?
Why does he hate me so much?
Okay, stop crying.
Mama, come on.
It's okay.
Hi, Chibu. Hi.
My love is gone. I am left alone.
Mama, it's okay, ma'am. You need to be strong, bro. You don't want to witness when the enemies will confess their sins. Very soon, they will confess. And no, Emeka is strong. He must do something about it. Mama, what is going on? I brought some food.
Sister, why did you lie to me that Mama was calling me when Mama is not even back from the farm?
Because you were about to rub our family name to the mud. And I can't watch you do that.
How do you mean?
That man that you are having an affair with, has he come for introduction? Let alone pay your bride price. Eh? And you're throwing yourself at him. Each time, somewhere. Don't you have shame at all? Bring yourself together.
Sister, Samuel is my fiancé, for goodness sake.
And so, is that why you're making yourself look so cheap before him? Don't you have shame? Listen, Samuel is a man. By the time he's done making you with straw, what will be meaning is just chaff and we'll just throw you away. I'm telling you the truth. We have to protect our family. This is our family. It's very important. Yes.
Who born you? How can she leave this house without telling you her whereabouts?
Hey! Since I asked her if she had a hand in the death of my son, our relationship was her.
She's very stupid. If she were the one, wouldn't she have asked you the same question?
Joanumo, I did not even accuse her. I just asked a question.
Nemeka, everybody is a suspect.
Thank you.
Even Ofoma and his family. Until you find out who the killer of your son is. Yes. Silent.
Hey, good evening.
And what is good about the evening? What is good about the evening? Is it the death of Emeka? Or Chidebere who died 10 years ago? Or the king's men who have done nothing to find out the killers?
Look, Baka. Am I talking to you? Did I greet you? Stupid woman. You are a fat fool.
You are a cow. You are a shenanigan. Come on, will you shut up? Look at this old woman. Look at her.
I don't even have your time.
Allow me, let me handle this woman.
Is her mouth not smelling you? Are you not perceiving the odor that is coming?
She said you should shut up. What is it?
Mama Neka, please, don't be angry. Please, turn this food into your own plate. Let me carry mine. Oh,
Ogechi, I'm sorry. You have to go back with your food.
Take it back. She said you should go with your food. She has enough. She does not need your food. Is it by force?
Mama Neka, is anything the matter? I need soap.
Nothing. She have enough. I will even cook more for her. Carry it home. She don't want to eat your food. Just go with your food. Go with your food. Look at her. You're begging people to eat your food. Take it to orphanage home and give them to eat.
Don't listen to
Look at her. Nemeka, go and turn the food. You did well, my friend. I love that.
Okay, and he gave you this yam. Yes. He's a good man.
He is.
Maybe I should just pick up from where he stopped. I think I'm challenged by what he did.
He has been doing things like this for me.
Ah.
He's a great human being.
Okay. So how is the young chairman?
He's a big boy now. He's at home with my mother-in-law.
Yeah, that reminds me of your mother-in-law. How's she doing?
She's fine too.
I think I should just start by taking you home.
Oh. You are so kind.
I have to.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. This back, so you just go inside. Oh, yeah. So, it's over.
What? Now that's ready. Can I have this? Thank you.
Anytime.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah. Take it.
What?
It's actually nothing. You can have it. We're going back to the city very soon, so I believe you should need that to keep up.
This is a lot of money.
No, that's actually nothing.
Amaka, what is going on here?
Mama, good afternoon, ma.
Samuel gave us this big amount of money. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. He brought me back. But the yams are from my brother.
Give him back his blood money. Then take the yams inside. Mansegini, when your husband was sick, what did he do to save his life? He gave him 5,000 naira to buy medicine from Emma. Now you have the heart to give her a whooping.
I don't know, but you're embarrassing.
Embarrassing on you? Embarrassing on you? Get out. Give him back that money. If I ever see you anywhere around my house, you will not like what I'll do to you. Get out! Embarrassing who? On your money. Next time I see you here, my win million. Bubam Jini Muno. Carry that here inside.
Why do you want us to report her to the Igwe Council? Did she accuse you of Emeka's death?
No, Nai. But she must have said something that made you to reject the food I gave to her.
What did she say?
I don't know.
So why do you want us to report her to the Igwe Council when you cannot comfortably say what she said against you? Why?
Nai, I am not daft.
Then say it!
Nai, I am not daft. She must have said something against me.
Say it. We are not in Mankupia. Say what she said. Talk.
Are you okay? Well, how will I be okay? No, tell me. Why will I be okay? What did I do to that Uju of a woman? Why would she insult me like that? What did I do?
She insulted you. How?
I gave Amaka 30,000 naira and she asked her to give it back to me that my money is blood money.
Blood money? Ifukiano, have you seen it?
My dear, Uju has been traumatized by the death of her son. Let us try to understand her right now. Eh? She's not with her normal senses. Let us understand her.
Is that all you can say?
Because let's understand Uju for now.
How are you feeling?
I'm getting better. This sickness is not my problem. Do you love me?
Of course. I love you.
Are you sure you truly love me?
But you know I do.
Then promise me. Promise me you will never abandon my aged mother in the village and move to the city.
What? Where is this coming from?
Promise me.
Sweetheart.
You've taken away my pride, leaving me all alone. On way. You've just broken my heart. Guinea meregi on way.
So what do you want me to say? What do you want me to say? The food you gave to her, she rejected it. Is it not the food that I just finished eating? Okay, now Sam gave her 30,000 naira. She rejected the 30,000 naira. Has the 30,000 naira disappeared from Sam's pocket? I don't know what is your problem.
It's like you don't understand it clearly. You are her prime suspect. Let me tell you, you better do something before the entire village will begin to avoid us.
My wife, listen to me. Clear conscience fears no accusation.
Okay? So, how can people know that your hand is clean on the death of Emeka when you have not spoken out? How are they going to know?
Like I said, I am a man of strong integrity and pedigree. Nobody questions my character. Nobody doubts me in this community. Yes, I am a man of pedigree. Huh? Like I said, let us leave Uju alone. She's traumatized. The death of her son, Emeka, is really disturbing her. Let's understand her for now. That is all I'm asking for. That is just that. Ogukwana.
So if Emeka hadn't gotten married on time and had a son, that would have been the end of his lineage.
You see, that's why you have to get married as soon as possible. As soon as possible.
Is a man of strength and valor. What happened? Was your spirit not as strong as your physical body? Omeka Naya, you have to avenge your death. Avenge your death. Aye.
Mama Emeka. Mama Emeka, take heart. Stop crying. Nobody will live forever in this world.
My son was slaughtered like a chicken. Why?
Stop crying. It's okay.
Manachelo, Ebeka Chukugaze. Why did he allow my son to be slaughtered like a chicken like that? Why? Why?
It's okay. Stop crying. Whosoever that was responsible for your son's death, they will never go unpunished.
God had the capacity to stop them from killing him. But he chose not to. He chose not to.
It's okay. Stop
he just
crying.
wanted my son to die.
It's okay. Stop crying now. No amount of tears that will bring him back. Biko,
you're right. I will not cry again. I will not cry. I will not cry. I won't cry again. I will not cry again. Mama, I don't have appetite for food. I don't have appetite for food.
I'll go something for you to eat. People, Makali.
I don't want to eat.
Let me shock you a little. Do you know that my parents pleaded with her to follow you to the city, but she refused?
Why?
I don't know. Maybe she doesn't want to marry you.
Well, that wasn't what she told me. She said that your parents denied her following me because I've not come for the introduction or even pay her bride price.
Hey! Ew! Nancy can lie for Africa. Hey!
Wait a minute. That's not what your parents said.
What one you go? For where? For where? Hey! So you got one. See. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm fine.
See, the worst thing that can happen to a man is to fall in love with a woman that hates you with passion. I'm telling you. Use your upper. Use your head before she will use it for you. Yeah? Remember what they say. A stitch in time saves 9. Yes. I have to be going before my master looking for me. I'll see you later.
I thought I saw you while I was coming home. You didn't tell me you were coming here.
Good afternoon, this afternoon, sir. I brought special abacha for you.
I'm not a fan of abacha. I really don't eat it. What?
Even though you hate me, for the sake of John 3:16, you don't have to reject my food.
I don't hate you. Point of correction. We're not enemies. I like you. You're just like my sister.
You like me? Really?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much. The abacha. Very special abacha.
I just told you I don't eat it.
It's like your parents are not at home.
Yes, they are not around. They went for Adobe's traditional marriage.
Oh, when is yours coming up?
Very soon.
I can't wait.
I can't wait too.
Very, very special.